Heather with Life with Heather G, and I'm here because I have my Ipsy. So I just started getting Ipsy again. I used to get it for years, and I started getting it again mostly because I really like the sample sizes. I'm kind of out of all those, and when I travel, I like to try new things when I go. I know some people don't like to do that, but I do. Like, I'll take all my samples with me and just like, yep, I'll just use this, and it takes a small amount of packing area. So, and I was also going to go over my Rocks box as well because I did get that and I already started wearing the jewelry. So you'll notice that in this video, I am wearing this necklace and these earrings, and they're both from my Rocks box from just a couple days ago. So I will go over that as well. But let's get in. Ooh, something fell out. Okay. So something fell out, and it is a, oh my goodness, how pretty. You know, it's been a long time. That's another thing I liked about Ipsy is I got brushes all the time, and I haven't gotten very many lately, and I could really use some new ones. So this one is Slim Glam, I think. Slim Glam angled brush P30. So it looks like it's a good highlighter brush. Let's see. There we go. And it has those little 2 rhinestones, and it's purple. Okay. The bag this month says Dream. Let's see, I don't think I had a card in here. No. Okay. Oh, it's in here. Anyways, that's this little zipper pull. Just cute. Oh, it is. The card's in here. It says Dream It. That's the theme for January 2021. And that should give me the, oh no, it says beauty resolutions for your sign, and it gives you like little horoscope, which I'm not super into horoscopes, but that's kind of fun. And then it gives you a coupon on the other side. Yeah, it looks like they're introducing a vegan line, which that's kind of cool. I might have to try that one out. Anyways, the first item is by Foxy Bay, and it is a 12-in-1 magic leave-in hair mask. I love that. You know what I love these for, these sample sizes too, is to take in my beach bag in the summer. And then when you get out of that nasty water, whether it's a pool or like the ocean or the lake, you can rub some of that in your hair, and it's just nice because my hair gets unruly at the beach. Then this is a Dr. Botanicals, which I have been liking. I've gotten some of this in my Kinder Beauty boxes. So this is a watermelon superfood 2-in-1 makeup cleanser remover. So a cleanser and remover from Dr. Botanicals. And I have really liked that brand. So I'm excited to try more things from them. And that's these are good size samples. These are not small. I mean, you can get several uses out of all of these. Pure fully charged mascara, which I love getting mascara. And I have not tried Pure, but that is a good brand as well. So I will definitely use that. Okay, and then the last product I have is Hola Neon. Hola Neon? You can see that, but I'll put the picture next to it anyway. But that's a pretty color. Like, that's definitely something that I would use. I like that. I'm going to open it because this looks like my color. It's a very nudie looking. Let's see what color it says. Lip gloss lacquer in Cahola. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Oh, packaging. So I got it out. Ooh, I got packaging all over me. It's just a very, I know I already have something on my lips, but. That's a pretty color. I know it's over some of my other gloss already, but I like that color. And that's a full size. So I think for $12 a month, I really did miss Ipsy. So I got a brush, a lip gloss, mascara, a cleanser, and a hair mask for $12, and an adorable bag. Anyways, so that is all for the Ipsy. But I was gonna go over my Rocks box real quick. And I was impatient and wanted to open it because, you know, you get to kind of rent these. So you wear them and then you can send them back. Or you can use your $21 fee every month to purchase an item in your collection if you want. I did last time I bought a pair of Kendra Scott earrings. Now I like these ones too. So these ones are not Kendra Scott. I will put them on the screen what they are. But very pretty. They're both dual tone. So it has the gold around the outside and then the silver on the inside. Yeah, I like them. And then this one right here, it has, again, I'll put a picture so you can see it better, but it has rhinestones and like little baby pearls, and it's just delicate. And then the other night I went to my friend's house because she had like a spa party, and I wore these from Slate, and I got tons of compliments. I never get compliments on my earrings and stuff, and people are like, where'd you get your earrings? And they're just like this heavy weighted, I don't know what you call it, like just a drop earring, but they're kind of like a heavy, this little part right here is kind of like just heavy. I like it. But I wore those. So you can wear these and then you can send them back. Or like I said, if you really love a piece, then you can just purchase it with your $21 that you pay every month to borrow jewelry, which I love because they have a lot of good brands. You can also get people to sign up, and if somebody else signs up under you and they get their first box for free, and then you get a $25 credit towards the purchase of an item that you like. So my sister Candy at Crazy Eights Life, she did sign up. And so I did get $25 for her, which helped me buy my last pair of earrings, which thanks, sis. So if you want to go over and check out her Rocks box and see what she got, I will put the link above. And I guess that is all for today. And I am so excited to hang out with you guys, and we will see you next unboxing. Bye.